Okay, before we go, Bank of Canada out with its latest interest rate announcement this morning, cutting the benchmark rate by 50 basis points to 3.75%. Here's our money expert, Rubina Ahmed-Haq, who joins us now to break this all down. Rubina, good morning. And
good morning.
A bigger than usual move, but not unexpected.
Not unexpected. And in fact, last night I was reading that there could be a possibility of a 75 basis point cut. So this was really in the middle of what economists were expecting. They're saying that the lower inflation number coming in last week, unemployment ticking higher, all of that is priming them to say that this lower interest rate is now needed and is going to help the economy grow.
This is welcome news to many of us, to a lot of us, looking for a cut. What can we expect for the final cut in December?
The expectation is that the Bank of Canada will continue to cut rates up until the middle 2025, and that we could see rates actually below 3% by that time. So that would be only 3 more rate cuts of 25 basis points each. They may pause a little bit now because this is an oversized cut, and I know that this is not something that normally does happen. It's very rare that they aggressively cut this way unless it's an emergency, and so they probably will pause and be slower in that cutting, but definitely we'll see lower rates by mid-2025.
And when they make it a cut like this, it's immediate, right? When do we see it,
Yeah.
When do we see the difference?
So if you log on to your bank account this afternoon, and if you have a variable rate mortgage, more than likely you will see that prime rate lower and reflected in your new summary, and it will show your new payment. If not tonight, maybe by tomorrow for sure. The commercial banks usually announce their prime rate, commercial prime being cut by the end, so the end of the day sort of thing. And once one bank does, usually all the other banks do that as well. So prime is much higher. It's over 6% for most of the commercial banks. So when they cut that, if they cut by that 50 basis points, it's going to come below that 6% mark, making money cheaper.
I don't log into my account for fun usually, but I just may.
Yeah, today might be a fun day.
I may
Might be a good day, yeah.
Just to
All
see.
right. Rubina, good to see you this morning. Thanks for coming in and breaking this down for us.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Appreciate it.